Hey guys, Kapper here. Happy Monday. This is just a really quick vlog because you guys have been in your offices and on the road and doing your, normal full-time jobs on a Monday, while I've been out in the field doing some fun stuff. So I have been a little busy, but here's just a sneak peek of what's been going on so that you can escape from your reality and join me in my reality for just a short time. And stay tuned for more project videos and getting time out in the field because we got a lot going on. So thanks a lot.
Okay, on the deer vlog end of things, my neighbor Zeb, he's 2 properties over, he got this beautiful buck. I believe this to be a 6 or 7 year old buck, and I'm going to do a future video on the history of this buck because I believe my daughter and I videotaped him and passed him like I think it was 2017, which would make this a 6.5 year old buck. So stay tuned for the historical story on this. I think it's interesting, and let's see what else is going on. Okay, and continuing on the deer theme and land management theme, just today, Monday, November 15th, which is why I got in late, I went and helped my buddy Curtis out on his 101 acre parcel. It was quite the interesting project, but I'm going to take you from start to finish of his land management. Him and I started it this summer when we started these land clearings, and now he's been very busy. There's a story behind it, but it's going to come to fruition here. We put this deer tower in his beautiful new clearing that we did this year, and he planted, so stay tuned. It's going to be a fun project for sure.
This was all just like that. Remember, we had the excavators in here.
Okay, and also in the last week or so I've been hitting the deer towers pretty regularly because both Zeb and I have a really nice target buck that we're after. Hopefully one of us will be able to capitalize on it, but it's been a lot of work, there's no doubt. But I've seen a lot of excellent deer footage and stuff, so definitely stay tuned for some deer vlogs coming out soon. Also, you can expect some really big changes coming with land investing and so forth. So after long consideration, we decided we're going to try to sell that 38 acre parcel that we just bought it. But we have a big global plan, so we're trying to get Sharon to be able to retire in a couple years. We decided that that farm was a little bit too far to haul the machinery, so we're going to build a cabin for a VRBO here on our property and hopefully acquire a different property right close to where we live here in Illinois. So we'll probably be selling the Kentucky farm also and try to reconsolidate because life is not getting any we're not getting any younger, I guess you could say. So we're looking at our plans, consolidating. So there's going to be a lot of movement here in the coming months, and we hope you will join us for all the excitement because it's been a real fun ride so far, and who knows what's going to happen next. And so speaking of making life dreams happen and succeeding at your dreams, if you follow the channel, you know we leased our Kentucky farm for the first time ever to a couple of deer hunters from out of state. And so Gary, his dad, was able to harvest this beautiful buck right here, and it's the biggest deer he's ever harvested in his entire life. So hunting and memories are all relative. From where they are, they don't see many big bucks, so this is a trophy. So it has been a huge success to help them achieve this dream. I'm hoping the other 2 guys also bag a nice buck. But your dreams ain't going to come to you. You really have to go to them. But I am very honored and proud to be able to help them achieve this particular dream. Congratulations here. Hopefully I'll have some future videos on this whole story. So definitely stay tuned. We appreciate you guys being on board.